Good morning. I think it's morning. Yeah, still morning. This is a great day because we're recognizing an individual that was not only a great friend, but a great public servant. And some of his colleagues are here today. Representative Danny Lambeth, Senator Tommy Tucker, Representative Pat Hurley, and Senator David Curtis. And they personally knew Jim Fulghum and worked with him, and knew he was a man of incredible passion and commitment to his family, to his profession, and to the state of North Carolina. I'm pleased to have Dr. Mary Susan Fulghum, his wife, who's also just an incredible medical physician on her own right and had a great career as a great doctor. I have Emily Robertson, who's the daughter of Mary and Jim. I have Margaret Robertson, their beautiful, beautiful granddaughter. And I have Dr. Patrick Robertson, who happens to be my dentist too, and I was with him this morning, and I still have a crooked mouth maybe, but one of the great dentists in North Carolina. And I really appreciate him helping me out this morning with a cap issue. Let me just talk about briefly Jim. He represented Wake County and House District 49 in the General Assembly. And he died in July of 2014 after being diagnosed with stomach cancer. And he was a retired neurosurgeon who wanted to use his medical expertise as a means to improve the lives of everyday people in North Carolina. His dream was realized. He really made a big difference in a lot of bills, and he brought not only his expertise, but he brought his passion to committee meetings and right there on the House floor. And he introduced and helped pass bills which are still going to have impact today and for generations to come. The expansion of the heart defect screening for newborn babies, the requirement of EpiPens in public schools, and they're used to prevent complications from severe allergic reactions. And he championed a law that provides more protection to health workers who work with chemotherapeutic agents. He was thinking of not only kids, but he was even thinking of the people in the medical profession who needed protection. And today his legacy continues to grow with legislation that protects young people by prohibiting operators of tanning beds from serving men and women under the age of 18. I believe the previous age was what, 14? 14 years of age. And the long-term damage that Jim realized that if that continued would be impacting many generations to come. And so his legacy is good public policy, and his legacy has always been saving lives. Now, he married his high school sweetheart, Mary Susan. She's absolutely a beautiful woman. When they met when they were teenagers. And they both attended UNC Chapel Hill Medical School together, and they were married for over 50 years. They were partners. They were really partners. And they were partners in not only medical practice, but they were partners in helping the state. And this is really to continue to honor his memory, because we'll never stop honoring his memory. So on behalf of these great senators and representatives who knew him and helped get this bill passed, and on behalf of his great family, excuse me, did I say that all right, Patrick? I just want to say thank you very much to them and to this fine group of public servants behind me. So it is my honor to again sign this bill, which requires tanning equipment operators to prohibit any person less than 18 years of age from using this equipment. And the current age was actually 13 years old. And that's way too young. And this act will become effective October 1st, 2015. So it is my honor to sign this bill, and I'm proud of the work that all of you all have done. And Doctor, you get the first pin. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Can I say anything?
I want to thank the legislator and these wonderful legislators who helped so hard, as well as people in the audience who worked for years to see this bill come to fruition. We're going to save children's lives, and I know Jim is smiling. Thank you.
And the next pin goes to his granddaughter. Give me a hug. I've offered an ice cream sundae in the back. And I'd like to also give one to daughter and to my dentist. Thank you very much, Patrick. Thank you very much. Appreciate y'all. Love you. And thank y'all very much. Let me do this real quick. Sometimes love it.
Thank you, sir.
Y'all give them a round of applause. It's a good day for North Carolina. Thank you all very much. Appreciate it. I'm going to go memorialize an old friend of mine, Danny Fontana. I'm going to do a eulogy in Charlotte this afternoon, but another family going through grief right now, but we're going to remember him too. But I'll tell you, to remember Jim this way is a great honor, and I really want to thank these legislators for remembering him. Y'all take care.